Finally, here at 7, if you're like me and millions of Americans, you hate cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, walls. It's a lot of work. Enter the GP66 Miracle Cleaner. It promises to make cleaning fast and easy. And get this, it's also environmentally friendly. Kurt Aaron here now with more.
It's a miracle.
It's a miracle. It's amazing.
We're hoping it's going to be a miracle when we try it for this week's Does It Really Work test. We got requests to try this out. This is a new, well, I shouldn't say new product. It's been out for a while, but it's new to us in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. It's called the GP66, and we want to know, does it really work? This is GP66 Miracle Cleaner. Maker claims it will clean and degrease just about anything, anywhere. Just check out this bottle. It will clean machinery, floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicle rims, walls, carpets, and rugs, just to name a few. Here's the kicker, though. The maker claims it's biodegradable, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. But does it really work? To find out, we don't have to go far from home. We start on the floor of the WNEP foyer. This is where we find our friend and co-worker, Debbie Choco. She's the one who gave us the idea to test GP66. And here's why. The tile floor in the entranceway of our building has been heavily traveled. Even though the floor looks in really good shape, and it is, the grout between the tiles isn't supposed to appear dark gray. It's supposed to be this color, light gray. It only looks darker because of all the foot traffic. It's time to see if we can make this grout and tile in our foyer look new again. To do this, we have 3 products to try. First, Windex Powerized, which promises to clean windows and more, including floors. Also, Fantastic, the all-purpose cleaner, along with our own GP66 Miracle Cleaner. We read the instructions and apply each cleaner. And while we apply and scrub, Debbie explains how she found it.
I got this on QVC. So I saw what it did to her grout. So I, of course, bought it as well, and I took it to my home, only to find that the grout in my bathroom that I always thought was gray is white.
Really?
So, yeah. So we tried it here at WNEP, and we'll show you what it looks like.
We use our special grout scrubber to reach between the tiles. We allow each product the recommended time to soak into the floor. Now it's time to wipe it off with a paper towel. And wow, look at all the dirt and grime coming off the floor. It looks like black sludge. You aren't kidding. Ew. We wiped up all of the cleaners, and now we waited for it to dry. In the meantime, we went outside and applied GP66 to some vehicle rims. These beautiful rims have lots of brake dust and dirt on them. A few sprays of the GP66, you can see the dirt and grime sliding away. After just a few wipes with a paper towel, our rim looks new again. We even found a rim with tar caked on it. That was caked on. That did pretty good, actually. GP66 Miracle Cleaner did a great job on our rims. Now let's go back and check on the floor. This is what we found. Fantastic Cleaner did not remove the dirt from the grout. It's still dark gray, almost black. Windex Powerized did a good job removing the dirt from the grout. However, it left a hazy residue over the tile. Finally, GP66 did remove a lot of the dirt and left the tile looking clean. It didn't remove all of the dirt, but for being environmentally friendly, no hazardous chemicals, we're impressed. We'll give it a thumbs up. And the other thing that I just want to mention is I've got a couple cleaners here. And again, this is that Windex Powerized, the one that I was telling you about. If we could go back to camera 2. I'm going to let you just take a little whiff of both of these, okay? Because these are cleaners. Clearly, you can smell the chemicals in that one. Now, just take a whiff. Do you see the difference?
Yeah, there's a big difference.
Big difference in the smell. My wife was cleaning the bathroom the other day using a regular cleaner. And it literally almost made my eyes water because it was so strong. Yeah. And you researched where to find this.
Yes, I went to their website, GP66, and this size sells for $15. You can get bigger sizes, gallons, and it's cheaper the more you get.
Bigger the quantity, yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, for being green, did a good job cleaning for us, so we gave it thumbs up.
All right, good stuff. Have a great night, everyone.